Hello, dear students. Welcome to GATE Wallah. And in this orientation session of GATE 2027 Parakram Batch B for electronics engineering and for electrical engineering and for the English language. Here, me and Varun sir is present for your orientation session and all the queries related to your batch orientation we will be discussing over here, and all the batch features that you will be getting in this batch that we will discuss. Yearly planner where all the sequence of the subject will be discussed one by one by me and Barun sir. And then I will tell you about how to use the PW app for effective study and how to utilize for some technical related issues or some app related issues, how you can resolve if you encounter all these issues during our live classes. So that we are going to discuss one by one. Okay, so here in the PW, we are having three different category of the batches that courses that you can enroll. Like for example, you are having one is normal learning program, and second is infinite learning program, and third one is infinite pro. And what are the difference between this normal plan of the course and infinite learning program and infinite pro learning program, that we will discuss one by one. Okay, so now the very first screen that you are seeing, that the Parakram GATE 2027 batch B English language, meaning is that this batch orientation belongs to the batch where we will be teaching all the subject in English language, so that the students who are comfortable in English language will be getting more benefit from all these batches. Okay, and then also we are having the orientation for Parakram GATE 2027 batch B for electrical engineering students. So this is for electronics and electrical, and the student those who are preparing for GATE 2027. Okay, so first slide is batch features. So first of all, I'm telling you what are the batch features you are getting on the PW. Suppose you enrolled all in any one of these batches, depending on your branch of electrical or electronics, you will be getting in this batch for the candidates who are preparing for the GATE 2027 examination. This batch is for those students. Second, in this batch, you will be getting the prerequisites videos. What is the use of prerequisite videos? Because suppose you are studying some subject like, for example, mathematics, network analysis, or any other subject, whatever prerequisite is required, the pre-recorded videos for those prerequisites are already available, so that once you go through all these prerequisite videos, then you will be able to recall your 11th and 12th class memories, and then you will be able to understand your engineering subject very easily. Okay, so it is the extra layer that we are providing to you, so that you will be very much comfortable in the classes that is actually going to start for you. Okay, in this batch. Then you are having lecture planner, completely lecture planner. We are having complete schedule throughout the year. What is the sequence of the subject tentatively you will be having, and what is the start date of that subject, and what is the end date of the subject, and all these things will be notified to you whenever any subject is getting ended and whenever any subject is getting started. Along with that, the weekly test that you are having in all the batches will be notified to you through the app and through the message also. Okay, through notification we can say. In the batches, the according to the GATE examination pattern, you will be getting MCQ questions, NAT question practice, and MSQ question practice in all the batches. All the classes are live in the format, and along with that you will be getting the recorded version of all these lectures as well. Okay, so once live classes are over, then you will be having the recorded version as well. Suppose for example today you are having one class. After completion of that class, the complete video in the recorded format will be available for you, so that if any one of you have missed the lecture or not interested in watching live videos, then they can go through the recorded version as well. So these are the features you are having in all the batches. Okay, DPP will be provided along with solution. So DPP means daily practice problem. So other than this, the new name for this DPP is practice sheet. So practice sheet in each of the subject is provided to you, and along with the solution is also provided. In the last of the slide, I will be telling you, or sir will be telling you, that how to access the DPP video solution or DPP part. Okay. Second is PYQ in quiz format will be provided. So all the PYQs, previous year question of the GATE examination, will be provided in the quiz format. You can attend the question. If you don't get any question, you will be having the chance to get through the video solution. Okay. And then doubt engine will also be provided to you, where you can ask doubt related to every slide. Whenever in the live class you are watching the lecture, then it's okay. But when you are going through the recorded version of the subject, and in that case, if you encounter any doubt in any particular slide, then according to that also you can ask the doubt. And the next is regular tests will be conducted and dates will be mentioned in the subject planner. Regular tests will be there, chapter and every chapter. Suppose one subject is having 5 chapter, then for the 5 chapter you will be having the test, and that notification will be provided to you when is your test. Okay. Detailed analysis report for student self evaluation after the test. After every test, we will give you complete analysis of your test, how many questions you have attended, how many marks you have, how many negative marks you have scored. All these things, all details will be provided to you. So this is the batch plan. Now, yearly planner, that will be discussed by the Varun sir. So over to you, Varun sir.
Thank you, sir. So before going to the yearly planner, I just want to narrate a small thing that we are discussing here Parakram GATE 2027 Batch B English for electronics as well as for the electrical. So if we talk about what is 2027 plan, so we have a plan starting from first day to your end subject day as well. And already you have done a great job by enrolling in this. Why? Because 2027 needs a 1 year complete full study. Okay. Almost 1500 hours are required for the GATE or engineering services examination. So since you are enrolling at this particular time, it means you have a sufficient time to get each and everything in a very detail. Okay, you have sufficient time to go with the more and more practice. Already sir told you about DPPs. DPPs will have a very great video solutions. Mostly what happened now, student when solve DPP, they will develop some kind of concept. But when they are going through the video solution, then they are able to understand what actually that question wants to tell you. What concept, how to think about the concept, that is very important. Okay. So this video solution is also available to you. Now come back to the yearly planner. Please observe here very carefully. First I am talking about electronics engineering, Parakram 2027 Batch B. See how beautifully we have crafted this entire. First, general aptitude. You are getting this as a recorded one because mostly student thought that in engineering, they have a good general aptitude. Okay. So you are getting this Monday. It is from 22nd of December and it is going to end by the 10th of January. Okay. So aptitude part, you are going to be in practice throughout the year. Now come to the first subject that starts control system on Monday, January 12.
So there is a problem in the your
internet. Okay,
I think internet, because there is a blur on the screen. Okay.
Wait, sir. Just I am doing a correction till you continue, sir.
Okay. So sir was discussing with you the yearly planner for the GATE 2027 Batch B, Parakram Batch B for electronics and electrical engineering. So very provided you is 22nd. What you have to do is December to 10th of January, you should lecture of and since it is a recorded version, you will be having the doubt engine. Whenever you encounter with the doubt, you can clarify your doubt, and app test for the GATE examination, you should remember with it. Okay. And then second subject is control system. Once your aptitude will be over, you will be starting with the control system from 12th of January and it will be ended to March 27. So you are having the timing as well as you are having the dates for the subject is starting and subject ending. Okay. And control system is very having very much weightage in the GATE examination. Along with that, it is a very fundamental subject. Its application you will find in most of the subject. For example, analog electronics that I used to discuss with you. So in the analog electronics, the concept of the control system will be utilized in a very great manner. Okay. So that's why your basic fundamental subjects always take care in the beginning, so that you will be having great foundation to understand your core subjects, right? So the point is, After that control system, you are having the EFT, then you are having digital electronics, and so on you are having the sequence of the subject for electronics branch. Okay, here you are having EDC, communication system, COA, engineering mathematics, again a good weightage subject, and then so on, and the last you are having signal system and network theory, and the date for network theory and signal system will be notified to you through the app notification section. Okay, and then if we talk about the electrical engineering branch, then again the very first subject is general aptitude, that is starting from 22nd of the December, and it will be ended on January 10th, 2026, right? And again after that you are having the control system from the same date, January 12 to March 27. Again control system is having good weightage for electrical engineering student as well. And then you are having the third subject as power system, which is the core subject for electrical engineering student, right? So this is the sequence of the subject or yearly planner for you, that is in the sequence power system, then measurement, EFT, digital electronics, analog electronics, and so on you are having. Okay, so this is the feature that you are having in the PW platform, that all complete planner will be provided to you, how your preparation is going on. Now let's come to the faculty details. Who is the faculty for your courses? Okay, there are uh, there are the one picture you are having for all the faculties. All the faculties are having very good experience, more than 10 year of the experience. All the faculties I can say are having in this batch that you are going to access. And one by one you can see that Pankaj Sukla sir, having huge experience, Pankaj Singh sir, Songlal Gupta sir, EFT Guru, and then Chandan sir for the digital electronics, a great teacher for you. Me, Kamesh sir for EDC and analog circuit, Siddharth sir for communication system, and then Ajay Gupta sir who teach you electrical core subject like power system, power electronics in a very great manner. And then you are having Satish sir, okay, who will be discussing with you computer organization and microprocessor subjects. Okay, and then you can come to the Varun sir who is with me in this session. So he is a very great teacher for the electrical machine. So you can say electrical machine guru is with you. And then definitely whatever fear you are having in the electrical machine will be gone from your life completely, that I can say to you whenever you come into the class of the electrical machine guru. And then you are having Sujal sir, signal system specialist, and then Binay sir, Ratan sir, and Sapna ma'am. Okay, so this is the complete faculty panel, and most of the faculties are having the experience of more than 10 years, and some of the faculties are also having the experience of 20 years, like Ratan sir. Okay, Amul Ratan sir for the aptitude, I can say it is he is having the 20 year of the experience and one of the best aptitude trainer in India, we can say. Okay, and then come to the GATE Infinite Pro plan. So now from here, Barun sir is ready to discuss with you all, and then he will tell you all the things like features of the class like Infinite Learning, Infinite Pro, and what is the difference between the normal class and all the Infinite class. Okay, over to you, sir.
Thank you, sir. So, first of all, I just wanted to answer one comment. Someone is asking, can I get 9 plus CGPA in my BTech curriculum? Yes, you can get. If you are preparing for GATE, it is not just going to make you understand the subject for GATE exam, but it's going to make easy all the exams you are going to appear based on your engineering. Okay, so definitely your CGPA is going to improve. But it will be, you need to start your preparation from your second year onward. Then only, if you are planning to get 9 plus CGPA, it will become very easy for you. In final year already, your 3 years linked to T and Infinity Pro. If we talk about topic-wise practice sheet with video solution, test with all video solution, those present in the normal is, suppose if some student is registered and he want to get more score in the BTech as well as prepare. If you Infinity Pro, then all the features of Infinity is available. Along with that, Infinity Pro will have an addition you will get, and free access to the super 1500 question practice sessions. Also, close group with a friend with your faculties, so that you can have a one-on-one doubt discussions. Okay, and also you will get some revision strategies and all with the mentors provided to you. So these are some basic plans. Now come back to the book. I told you that workbook as well as your gate book is the must part you must have to carry for your preparation. For gate workbook features, we are providing workbook where practice questions especially formed or created for your gate and ESC. Complete coverage as per the latest gate or ESC syllabus, detailed and easy follow your text solutions, expert design content by top faculties, and also you will find that these questions are going to create some kind of help to think about the concept as well. Now come back to the exploring the batches. Again, I am telling you about the batches. Here, if you observe, if you search Parakram Batch on the search bar of the pw.live app, you
Sir,
will
let
get
me
this
continue,
batch.
sir. Sir, let
Okay.
me continue because
Okay,
there
please,
is a
sir.
blur problem in the screen.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, okay.
Okay. So, students, I am continuing this session. Okay. So, there is some technical issue with some camera of the sir. Okay. So, the point is, sir is telling that in the PW app, how to utilize this PW app for your batch access, technical issue related problem, etc. etc. The first is in the PW app, if you go, if you want to search any batch where you want to enroll, just type the name of the batch. Always remember, please be careful while choosing the batch. Okay, if you are comfortable in the English language, suppose you belong to the southern portion of the India, then definitely you are not having native language as Hindi, then you might be comfortable in the English, then go through the English language. And one who is comfortable in the Hindi language, then go for the Hinglish batch. Hinglish batch means their teacher is teaching in Hindi language, but content, technical portion will remain in the English only, right? So that is the difference. So you are searching Parakram Gate 2027 batch B, English electronics, then you will be seeing this screen. Then you can buy now, then you will be getting the access of that particular course, okay? Particular batch. After accessing the batch, then you are enrolled for that course, and then you are having this kind of screen. For a particular class, you can go for the all classes, and in the all classes you are having this screen where you are having the subject name already available. Suppose this is a control system. Right now it will be empty when it is not completed in your batch. Once this subject will start in your batch, then in the control system you will be having some content. Okay, so like that you are having some starter kit, you are having notices section, general aptitude, and different subject name. So this will be you are getting over here. In the infinite learning, you will be having some recorded version of the all the subject that you are having from different teacher. That is the advantage of infinite learning. So I always suggest all the students, do not go for the normal course. Always try to attempt to get the Infinity Pro or Infinity Learning courses, so that you will be having the recorded version lecture in the Khazana from all the faculties, where you will feel more comfortable. You can study that particular subject from that particular faculty. Okay, that is the advantage. So this is the section. Okay, then you will be having PW app will also provides the faculty details. You will be having all the details of the faculty and their demo lecture as well. Okay, and along with that, now in the subject section, what you will get, suppose you have picked the control system or some mathematics, etc., then you will be having all the chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, like that. And along with that, any study material is there, then study material you will be find in the study material section. Okay, like that you will be having here lecture planner, where you will be having that PDF that I have shared with you. Okay, in the same manner, for each subject, what is the chapter name is there and what is the date for the respective chapter, you will be getting every class detail in the lecture planner. Okay, and then Gatopedia, and then you are having PYQ quiz. You can attempt the PYQ question as well. Okay, and then you are having all notes, DPP PDF on the app only. In the app, how to utilize it, that is the case. Okay, so here in the all the classes section, once you go in the all class section, then in that section you are having lecture, DPP notes, DPP PDF, and DPP video. Suppose in the all section you have went, then in the lecture that has happened on the 2nd of December, suppose the lecture name is Laplace transform 5, then you can have lecture video, view lectures, and there in the attachment you will be having all the attachment like notes, DPP PDF, and DPP video. Okay, and here you can get the DPP directly also from here. Okay, so this is the way where you can utilize this app for the proper learning. Okay, After that, this is the practice sheet, that in this format you will be having the practice sheet. You will solve by your own, and you can also attempt the practice sheet in this manner also. Okay. And then you are having the doubt engine. Suppose in the live class, these are the slides. Suppose in this slide you are having the doubt, then particular slide, for the particular slide you can ask the doubt from the doubt engine, and your doubt will be resolved as soon as possible. Okay. And then you can rate the teacher also during the class. Okay. And you can also report and write to us for any of the issue faced while live lecture. Suppose in the live lecture, any technical issue, any problem you are having, you can write to us, okay, directly. And now we come to the technical and app related issues. Suppose you are watching the lecture in the laptop or mobile, and you are facing any problem, for example, any problem you are encountering, then in the section of the contact us, you can go and just you can write some chat. You can chat with the team, and then you can resolve your problem or technical issue or app related issue as soon as possible. You can search directly also. Some of the common issues are already addressed, and then you can search for that particular problem, and you can directly get the resolution for that. Okay. So this is the way how we can help you directly. Okay. And then in this reach the support team, you can reach the support team for payment related issue, app issues, subscription issues, book related, batch related. So any issues you can resolve with the help of this complete interface, right? And then finally, this is all the discussion. Now I want to go to the Varun sir, because some of the technical issues he was not able to continue with us, but you can listen to him whatever advice he wants to give to you. Over to you, sir.
So already all of you have seen that what are the different features of the app and how you can continue your study. How you can connect to the support, as well as the difference of the your Infinity batch or Infinity Pro Plus, or a normal batch. Okay. Now, the most important thing is you need to study hard. See, you have overall, if I say you have a 1 year of time, complete 1 year of time. So start giving your dedication towards your study from day one, and try to be continue. If you are going to finish your today's study and today's revision by today only, and do the daily revision, weekly revision, and monthly revision, then definitely your marks will be very good. You can come under 10 or under 100. Okay. It depends how strongly you are building your concepts. Okay. We as a teacher deliver everything to every student, but student dedication, discipline of study, and discipline of study means daily basis, how you are going with your classes. Do not bunk your classes. In case if you lost any class, it is available in the recorded form. So try to cover it before next session get started. Okay. Because in engineering, everything is in the flow. So every next lecture is somehow connected with the previous lecture. So try to cover on daily basis. That's all from my side. Over to you, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir, and all the students. Best of luck for your journey of GATE 2027. And if you find any issue, any problem, you can directly reach out teachers as well through Telegram group. In the Telegram, you can search Kamesh sir PW, and for the Varun sir also you can search Varun sir PW, and then definitely you will get connected with us, and you can inquire us for any particular issues, and then definitely it will help to you. Thank you very much for this session. Bye bye.